Good morning, dear friend. I want to share something crucial with you today. Something that could change how strong and steady you feel on your feet tomorrow, next month, and for years to come. Did you know that what you eat within the first hour of waking up can either protect your legs or slowly weaken them? After age 60, your body naturally begins losing muscle, especially in your legs. But new research reveals something remarkable. By simply avoiding 3 common breakfast foods, you can reduce your risk of leg muscle loss by up to 72%. No pills needed. No expensive treatments. No exhausting exercises. The best part? You probably already have the right foods in your kitchen. You just haven't been using them correctly. If your legs feel stiff in the morning, if you've experienced painful night cramps, or if standing up from your favorite chair has become harder lately, please pay close attention to what I'm about to share. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 morning foods that are secretly draining strength from your legs, and 3 powerful alternatives that can restore circulation, reduce pain, and keep you walking confidently for years to come. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss valuable health information designed specifically for your needs. If this video helps you, type the number 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I can improve. Part 1. 3 breakfast foods that are secretly weakening your legs. Food number 1. White bread with sweet spreads. Every morning, millions of seniors sit down to what seems like a harmless breakfast: white toast with jam, honey, or margarine. It's quick, familiar, and comforting. But this simple meal is silently attacking your leg strength. Here's what happens inside your body. White bread has been stripped of fiber and nutrients during processing. Without fiber to slow digestion, it turns to sugar almost instantly in your bloodstream. Your energy spikes briefly, then crashes hard. When this crash occurs, your body desperately searches for fuel. Where does it find it? In your leg muscles, the largest energy reserves in your body. The sweet spreads make everything worse. They're pure sugar with 0 protein, creating inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation attacks your joints, damages nerves, and disrupts the vital connection between your brain and legs. Let me tell you about Margaret, a 75-year-old patient of mine. She came to me after falling 3 times in 6 months. Her legs felt like sandbags by mid-morning. She wasn't diabetic or arthritic, but every morning for 20 years, she'd eaten white toast with strawberry jam. Her test results were shocking. Early muscle breakdown, poor leg circulation, and borderline pre-diabetes, all from this innocent breakfast habit. When she switched to protein-rich morning meals, her balance improved within 3 weeks. She no longer needed to grip furniture when standing. The scary truth is you won't feel the damage immediately. Instead, you'll notice subtle warning signs. Walking becomes slower. You need support when standing. Your feet don't lift as high. These aren't just signs of aging. They're desperate messages from your body saying, "I'm losing muscle and you're not feeding me properly." This simple breakfast habit creates a dangerous chain reaction. Unstable blood sugar causes energy crashes. Energy crashes trigger muscle breakdown. Muscle loss weakens legs. Weak legs increase fall risk. One fall can mean hospitalization, loss of independence, or worse. Food number 2. Black coffee alone. Skipping breakfast. Many seniors wake up, pour a cup of black coffee, and skip breakfast entirely. Maybe you're not hungry. Maybe it's habit. Maybe you think it helps control weight. But this routine is destroying your leg strength from within. When you drink only coffee without food, your body enters what doctors call a catabolic state. This means your body literally starts breaking itself down for energy. It doesn't target random tissue. It goes straight for your largest muscles, your legs. After 60, your body produces fewer muscle-building hormones. Your repair systems slow dramatically. Any muscle you lose becomes incredibly difficult to rebuild. What might have taken days to recover at age 30 now takes months at age 70. Coffee provides 0 calories, 0 protein, 0 nutrients. The caffeine creates an illusion of energy, while your body cannibalizes its own muscle tissue for fuel. You're literally consuming yourself from the inside out. Consider Robert, 68, a retired firefighter who prided himself on staying active. He came to me because his legs felt shaky by 10 in the morning. He'd nearly fallen twice getting out of his truck. His routine hadn't changed, except he'd been drinking only black coffee until lunch for years. His muscle scan revealed alarming news. He'd lost as much leg muscle in 6 months as most people lose in 10 years. All from skipping breakfast while drinking coffee. When we added a protein-rich breakfast before his coffee, his transformation was remarkable. His legs regained strength steadily. Today, he walks with the confidence of someone 10 years younger. The frightening part? You won't notice until it's too late. One day you feel slightly unsteady. Next, your legs buckle stepping off a curb. Soon, you need both arms to push yourself up from your chair. By then, you've lost not just leg strength, but freedom, confidence, and independence. Food number 3. Sugary cereals and condensed milk. That colorful cereal box labeled heart healthy or fortified with vitamins seems like a smart choice. That can of condensed milk you've used since your children were young feels nostalgic and safe. But for your legs, these foods are slow-acting poison. Most cereals marketed to seniors hide massive amounts of sugar and refined grains. They digest rapidly, sending blood sugar soaring, then crashing. When it crashes, your body raids your leg muscles for energy. Condensed milk is worse. Just 2 tablespoons contain 20 grams of sugar. That's 5 teaspoons. This sugar flood causes insulin spikes, promotes fat storage instead of muscle repair, and creates chronic inflammation that's especially dangerous for older adults. I remember Patricia, 73, who loved gardening. She came after falling while planting flowers. Her legs felt rubbery by noon. Her daily breakfast: instant oatmeal packets with condensed milk in her tea. She thought she was being healthy. Her blood work revealed elevated blood sugar, early nerve damage, and widespread inflammation markers, all from her healthy breakfast choice. Sugar actually blocks your body's ability to build muscle. It prevents recovery, reduces circulation to your legs, and impairs your balance reflexes. The cost isn't just weakness, it's numbness, tingling, painful cramps, and gradual balance loss. That moment when your foot catches on a step, when you wobble unexpectedly, that's not aging. That's malnutrition disguised as a normal breakfast. Part 2. 3 breakfast foods that will transform your leg health. Now let's talk about hope. Let's discuss the simple, affordable foods that can rebuild your strength, restore your balance, and protect your independence. Healing food 1. Eggs with leafy greens. The humble egg is one of nature's most perfect foods for aging muscles. For years, people feared eggs because of cholesterol concerns. Modern research proves this fear was misguided, especially for people over 60. Your leg muscles are large and demanding. They require quality protein, vitamin D, and amino acids immediately upon waking. After sleeping 7 to 9 hours, your body is mildly starved. Without proper fuel, it attacks your leg muscles for energy. One egg contains every essential amino acid needed for muscle repair. The yolk, often wrongly discarded, is rich in leucine, which triggers muscle protein synthesis. This is your body's natural process for rebuilding strength and stability. Pair eggs with spinach, kale, or simple lettuce. These greens provide magnesium for muscle function, potassium for nerve signals, iron for oxygen delivery, and folate for cellular repair. Together, they support blood flow to your legs and prevent cramping. Thomas, 74, a retired mailman, couldn't walk his driveway without holding the railing. His legs felt dead, his confidence shattered. He admitted he hadn't eaten real breakfast in years. We started simply. 2 eggs with steamed spinach every morning. Within 3 weeks, his wobbling decreased. After 6 weeks, he told me proudly, "I can stand on one foot to put my socks on again." After 60, you lose 1% of muscle mass yearly without intervention. But eggs and greens provide exactly what your body craves. No supplements needed. Just real food doing real work. Healing food too. Steel, cut oatmeal with chia seeds. A warm bowl of proper oatmeal isn't just comfort food. It's medicine for your legs, but the type matters enormously. Choose steel cut or old-fashioned oats, never instant varieties. These oats digest slowly, providing steady energy without spikes or crashes. They contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that reduces inflammation and improves nutrient absorption, both critical for leg health. Adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds transforms this meal completely. Chia provides magnesium, calcium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients regulate nerve signals, prevent cramping, boost circulation, and reduce inflammation throughout your legs. Dorothy, 79, loved her garden but could only work 10 minutes before exhaustion forced her to sit. Her legs felt heavy and tight every morning. She'd been eating toast and instant coffee for decades. We changed one thing. Warm oatmeal with chia seeds and blueberries replaced her usual breakfast. Within 4 weeks, she reported, I don't need the railing on my porch steps anymore. Her stamina doubled. Her confidence returned. This isn't magic. It's metabolic science. Oatmeal and chia provide sustained energy, stable blood sugar, and anti-inflammatory compounds. They feed your legs exactly what they need to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. Healing food 3. Sweet potato with natural sea salt. This combination might surprise you, but it's incredibly powerful for leg health. Half a steamed sweet potato, with a pinch of Celtic or Himalayan salt, can transform how your legs feel all day. During sleep, you lose water and minerals through breathing and natural processes. You wake dehydrated and mineral depleted, which directly impacts muscle function. Your legs, being the largest muscles, suffer most. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy without crashes. They're packed with potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, and manganese. These nutrients replenish muscle glycogen, improve circulation, and reduce morning stiffness. Natural mineral salt is crucial. Unlike processed table salt, Celtic and Himalayan salts contain over 80 trace minerals. These minerals help muscles contract properly, prevent cramping, and maintain proper hydration in muscle tissue. James, 77, a Navy veteran, came to me with morning leg stiffness and a shuffling walk that embarrassed him. We added just half a sweet potato with mineral salt before his regular breakfast. 1 week later, he grabbed my hand with tears in his eyes. Doc, I walk like a man again, not an old person shuffling along. For seniors, especially those on diuretics or low-sodium diets, this combination provides essential minerals often missing from modern diets. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. By the time we reach our 60s and beyond, many things feel beyond our control. Morning aches, fading energy, unsteady legs. We accept them as inevitable. But that's not always true. You have more control than you realize. It starts with tomorrow's breakfast. What you eat each morning isn't just about hunger. It's about mobility, independence, and dignity. It determines whether you can rise from a chair easily, walk confidently to your mailbox, or play with grandchildren without fear of falling. We've exposed the hidden dangers in common breakfast foods. White bread with jam, black coffee alone, and sugary cereals are slowly stealing your strength. But we've also revealed the path forward. The solution is beautifully simple. Eggs with greens to rebuild muscle. Oatmeal with chia seeds to stabilize energy and reduce inflammation. Sweet potato with mineral salt to restore electrolytes and circulation. You don't need expensive supplements making grand promises. You don't need gym memberships or personal trainers. You just need to make one small change tomorrow morning. I've watched this transformation in hundreds of patients. People who felt defeated by age rediscovered strength through simple breakfast changes. Their legs grew stronger. Their balance improved. Their confidence returned. Most importantly, they reclaimed their independence. Ask yourself tonight, what will you eat tomorrow morning? Will it weaken your legs or strengthen them? Will it steal your freedom or protect it? You don't have to accept weakness as inevitable. You don't have to fear falling. You don't have to give up walking freely wherever life takes you. Every morning offers a fresh start. Let tomorrow be when you choose strength over surrender. Your legs have carried you through decades of life, through celebrations and challenges, through raising families and building careers. They've been faithful servants. Now it's time to return that faithfulness. Feed them what they need. Give them the fuel to carry you confidently through whatever years lie ahead. Start with one breakfast. Start with one choice. Start tomorrow. If this message resonated with you, please comment with the number 1. If not, comment 0 to help me improve. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more practical health guidance designed for your life stage. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for being open to change. Here's to strong legs, confident steps, and independence that lasts. Remember, it's never too late to strengthen your tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for the choice you make at breakfast.